First of all, I should point out that it is very heartwarming to see the muhabbat or the love of Pakistani people extended to Turkey and our president, Mr. Erdogan. Any Turkish president visiting Pakistan is a historic event. It is a very big event. And this one will be another step, a historic step in our exemplary bilateral relationship. We will have some concrete documents to be signed during the visit. We will have our high-level Strategic Cooperation Council meeting, which I can describe as a joint sit-in of two Council of Ministers of respective countries. All the ministers and the leaders, they will have the opportunity to interact directly with their counterparts so that, we will be giving a new impetus, a new pace to our already thriving and, very positive bilateral cooperation. This is more than a cooperation, I should say. What is existing between Turkey and Pakistan is more than a friendship, it's a bond. And this bond is, alhamdulillah, there and will be there to stay. And these kind of visits will strengthen this bond between the two peoples, between the two countries.